Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Steam interface where you can browse and purchase games from their massive library. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in the name of the game you're looking for. This search feature makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you want without having to browse through countless categories and recommendations. After entering your game title, you'll see search results appear on your screen. Take a moment to browse through the options and find the specific game you want to purchase. Once you've located it, click on the game to open its store page. Here, you'll see details about the game, including screenshots, system requirements, and user reviews. On the game store page, look for the green Add to Cart button. This button is your gateway to purchasing the game. Click on it to add the game to your shopping cart. This step is important because it allows you to continue shopping if you want to purchase multiple games at once or proceed directly to checkout if you're ready. Once you've added the game to your cart, click View My Cart. This will take you to your shopping cart page where you can review your purchase before completing the transaction. Here, you'll see a summary of the game you're about to buy, including its price and any applicable discounts. Next, click Continue to Payment. This action moves you forward in the checkout process and brings you to the payment selection screen. This is where you'll finalize your purchase and choose how you want to pay for your game. Now click on the drop-down menu to select your payment method. Steam offers various payment options including credit cards, PayPal, and Steam wallets, so you can choose whichever method works best for you. After selecting your preferred payment method, enter your payment details in the provided fields. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Continue to complete your purchase. Steam will process your payment and the game will be added to your library immediately, ready for download and play. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a game on Steam and it's now ready for you to download and enjoy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.